We'll guide you through how to make VirtualBox full screen Windows 11. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start your Windows 11 virtual machine and wait until the operating system finishes loading. At the top of the VirtualBox window, click the Devices menu and choose Insert Guest Editions CD image to mount the VirtualBox Guest Editions installer inside the virtual machine. Next, open File Explorer, click this PC from the navigation pane, and locate the VirtualBox Guest Editions CD drive that has just been mounted. Open the drive, then run the VBox Windows Editions application to begin installing the additional drivers and integration tools. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes, click Yes to continue with administrator privileges. The Guest Editions Setup wizard will now open, so click Next to move through each page while leaving the default installation options unchanged. When you reach the installation page, click Install and wait while Windows copies the required files and installs the necessary drivers. After the installation finishes, select the option to reboot the virtual machine immediately. Then click Finish to restart Windows and complete the setup process. Once the virtual machine has restarted, sign back into your Windows account. Next, open the View menu in VirtualBox and make sure Auto Resize Guest Display is enabled so the guest operating system can automatically adjust its resolution whenever the window size changes. Finally, press the Host key together with the F key to switch into full screen mode. Then confirm that Windows fills the entire display correctly and automatically scales to match your monitor, giving you a much smoother and more seamless virtual machine experience.